Hello guys! Today we're going to cook this absolutely delicate Sichuan dish, Sichuan boiled shrimp ball. Let's see how we're gonna cook it. First, let's marinate the shrimp. Add 1 tablespoon of white wine and mix them very well. Then we need to mince 4 to 5 slices of ginger. Okay, now we're going to put the shrimp, ginger, salt and pepper, Sichuan peppercorn powder, white pepper powder, 1 egg, cornstarch, and water together. Let's blend everything together in one direction, and once the shrimp meat starts to become sticky, then put them in the bowl and leave in the fridge at least for 30 minutes. Now let's prepare other ingredients. 1 to 2 scallions minced, 3 to 4 slices of ginger shredded, 6 cloves of garlic sliced, 3 Thai chili minced, 20-ish Sichuan peppercorn, and 5 dry chili cut into the small chunks. In here I used the bean sprouts, cucumber, and oyster mushroom as the base, but you can add any vegetable you like. Alright, now let's heat up the pan and add cooking oil. Once the oil is heated up, we're gonna add Thai chili, sliced ginger, shredded garlic, Sichuan peppercorn, and diced dry chili, scallions. Save some to use later as garnish and elastic. Fry the aroma out of the spices. Then we're gonna add 2 big tablespoons of peach and chili bean paste. Fry until the red chili oil out from the chili bean paste like this. Add 400 ml water or chicken broth. Add a pinch of 5 spice powder. And let's boil the soup. Then we're gonna add veggies. You can use pure hot water to boil the veggies, but I like to use the spice soup, then the veggies are more flavorful. Once the veggies are done, we will pick them out. And boil the soup again. And this time we're ready to cook the shrimp balls. Before you start, wet your hand and spoon with water so that the shrimp will not stick on your hand. Boil the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes, then put the veggie back into the pot. Turn off the gas. Sprinkle red chili flakes, Sichuan peppercorn powder, minced scallions, and white seasoning on top of the dish. Boil the cooking oil and pour over them to wake up the fragrance. And now we're ready to eat.
Open it.
Wow. Look at that.
I think probably this is my best one so far. You wanna start?
You go first.
Okay.
Wow.
What do you think?
Really good.
Got on my pants.
Wow.
Wow, I couldn't believe I'm the first one today.
Very reaction. Almost tastes like you grilled them, but
What do you think?
your best ones, yeah.
Really? And I have veggies in the bottom.
Wow. Bean sprouts?
Yeah, I got bean sprouts and cucumber. And some mushroom.
Wow. Really, really good.
Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video.